In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PowerPoint presentations as videos. Creating a presentation is one thing, but sharing it as a video can make it accessible in a whole new way, allowing your audience to view it at their leisure without the need for PowerPoint software. Whether it's a business presentation, an educational lecture, or just sharing family memories, turning your PowerPoint into a video can enhance its reach and usability. So let's dive into the steps to make your presentation come to life as a video. First off, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem obvious, but it's where our journey begins. Microsoft PowerPoint is a robust tool that offers more than just slides creation. It also has features for exporting your presentations into different formats, including video. If you don't have PowerPoint open yet, take a moment to locate it on your computer and fire it up. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to open the file you want to work with. You'll be greeted by the opening screen when you launch PowerPoint, which offers quick access to recent presentations or the option to open different files. Navigate through your folders to find the PowerPoint presentation you wish to convert into a video and open it. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial because you can only convert presentations that are opened in PowerPoint. Alright, now that your presentation is open and ready, it's time to start the conversion process. Head over to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will open a menu with several options, but the one we're interested in is a bit further down the list. In this File menu, look for the Export option. Clicking on Export will reveal various ways you can transform your PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft has built in several features to ensure your content can be shared and saved in numerous formats, but today our focus is solely on converting our presentation into a video. After clicking on Export, you'll see an option titled Create a Video. This is the magical button that will transform your static slides into a dynamic, shareable video. Click on Create a Video to proceed to the next step. And just like that, you're on your way to creating a video from your PowerPoint presentation. However, it's important to note some of the settings you might encounter in this process. PowerPoint allows you to choose the quality of your video, which can range from full HD to standard, or even lower to save on file size. Consider where you'll be sharing your video or how your audience will view it to choose the best option. Additionally, you'll find settings for how long to display each slide. You can choose to use the timings and narrations you've preset in the presentation, or manually set a specific amount of time for each slide to be displayed. This feature is particularly useful if you've practiced and timed your presentation perfectly, or if you're looking for a consistent pace throughout your video. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, clicking Export will commence the process of transforming your PowerPoint into a video file. This process might take a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your presentation as well as the video quality you've chosen. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now a video ready to be shared with your audience, uploaded to online platforms, or even embedded in websites and emails. The versatility of a video means your presentation can be accessed by anyone, on any device, at any time, without the need for specific software. In closing, converting a PowerPoint presentation into a video opens up a plethora of opportunities for sharing and engaging with your audience. Whether for professional or personal use, videos are a compelling way to present your ideas and stories. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how your presentations can benefit from taking the leap into the video format. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you bring your presentations to life in a whole new way.